Hello all, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the quarter four results of Mahindra Logistics. So actually, I had made a video on the multi-bagger returns on Mahindra Logistics months back. I'm also going to uh, paste the link of that video in my description. Please also watch that video so that it will give a end-to-end overall view about Mahindra Logistics, the business and other things. But I don't want to repeat the same thing again. That's why I'm just going to tell you about the seven positives what actually I've noticed after the quarter four results, or maybe financial year 24 financial year 24 end. So yeah, let's quickly start. So the first one is actually the revenue. So revenue of the core business, I think the core business was never in a problem. It is always doing good. If you see the revenue, it is already up by 11%. This is one of the positives. And also revenue, as you can see, the core business revenue is already 5,111 crores. This is actually up by almost like 11% from the last year. So only there are a little bit concern on the acquired businesses like Rivigo and other things. But however, they are also actually getting on track actually, as it's given here. So second is actually on the profit side. So the profit also is actually coming on the track. Actually, there was one impact in the last quarter. Actually, there was one-time provision was given for one of the doubtful receivables. Maybe I don't know what was the problem. That customer bankrupt or something. He was not able to pay. That's why 10 crore uh, receivables was written off, and also IT charges were 2 crores were there. I think because of these, the impact was there. Otherwise, as you can see here, the profit is also up 20% year on year, and it is almost reached 79 crores. You can think of almost like 7 crores uh, is the number of shares. So this is already 79 means actually you can see 7 into 11. I think almost coming to 11 point something EPS is coming, and also market is always forward looking. Even though there are problems and other things in the past, it will not look. It will always forward looking. It is always looking at what is going to come in the future like that. I think that is also one reason. I think on the profit side also it has grown 20%. This is also on track. Another good news is actually there are two expansion coming up in the quarter two financial year 25. That means it is June by 2024 itself. 7.5 lakh crores square feet of warehouse space is coming up in Guwahati as well as Kolkata. As you can see, they are getting almost all over India now. Apart from that, is also 6.2 lakh square feet is coming by quarter four of financial year 25. That means it is by March 2025, in another maybe 9 months time. So this much of uh, square foot warehouse space will be coming actually commissioned. So if it is expansion is going on means actually of course revenue is also getting going to increase, and they're also on the target of coming to the revenue whatever the guidance has been given. Another good news is freight forwarding agent. I think freight forwarding, they're also doing the freight forward to all over world. So the price is coming normal here actually. They are saying compared to last year, I think moderately the prices are going up. And also this Houthis attack on the Indian Sea, I think that is also sorry, what was that canal? Some canal which I also mentioned in the TVS supply chain video, because they have to go across the Africa. That was actually taking a lot of time as well as cost was increasing. I hope that is also getting solved in coming years. So other than that, I think one thing is price trend also going up, and also I don't think so this will add any value here. But good things to note is price improvements is happening. That is fourth point. And also actually in terms of e-commerce last mile delivery, this Edel as well as there's one more brand Wizard or something. Uh, these actually started reaching all over India. As you can see, they already started reaching 4,000 plus pin codes. They're reaching. As you can see, they are also fulfilling almost like 3.5 lakh orders per day. Yeah, and also 300 plus stations are there. I mean, as you can see, these are all small improvement. Every quarter, it's keep on coming up. This will definitely keep adding uh, business revenue as well as profit. So revenue actually 10,000 crores was the guidance given by management by financial year 26. That is looks like on track. Why I'm saying this actually, if you see last quarter they've reached a revenue of 145, and as I said, market is forward looking. If I do enough 145 and into 4, it's almost like 5,800 crores is coming. I mean in the next 3 quarters as well. I hope the revenue remains the same or it will keep on increasing from here. But however, I think they're closer, getting closer and closer. So another good news actually in the last quarter is I think the DAI started increasing their stake. So if you see the public holding, it is actually reduced, and the DAI started increasing it. As I always, you should always identify a company where there are no DAIs and FIIs. Then actually when they started buying, the price will go up. I think this is also showing here. When I made the video 3 months back, the price was 360. Now the price is already gone 465 because of these positives, improvement in the revenue as well as profit, as well as this mutual fund also started accumulating. These prices is started going up. You can see Aditya Birla, they have increased little bit partially, and Steinberg India Emerging Opportunities Fund, I think this also increased little bit. But new entries are actually Kotak Infrastructure that has increased by 1.39%. Their new entry, and also Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund. And apart from that, Motilal Oswal, even though they've given uh, small stable or old rating to Mahindra Logistics, but they're also slowly increasing it, as you can see. Yeah, and this is the seven, positives what I want to mention. I don't want to get into more details about business and all since I already covered it. I also put the link in the description. Please watch it again if you want to understand the business as well as my valuation and other things. So the targets actually after the quarterly result came up, there are two ratings. I mean, two analysts have come up with a report. One is Motilal Oswal. As I said, actually they have given a neutral rating here. So they're also given a target of 420. I think they are saying now the current price is 466. Uh, so yeah, this is neutral rating. They've also given 9.97. I mean less than this price. Apart from that, actually Sharekhan is given a buy rating at 520. So as you see, 466.5 is the current rate. Then I think this is 11.47 still from the current price. So in terms of valuations, as I was always also covered in the my first video, just I wanted to cover here also just to you get a idea about what is going on like that. So as management said, 10,000 will be the revenue. So currently, as you can see, these are all the current actually sales to market cap multiples. What is there? Uh, so as you can see, container corporation is actually trading at 7. Delivery is actually trading at 4.17. Anyway, all cargo, I'm not sure why it is undervalued. TVS, as I said earlier, also this is currently in a, just recently IPO came. There are some actually price determination phases going on. Otherwise, VRL Logistics, they are not into fully integrated warehouse service and all. They are mainly into mobility, but they are also trading at 1.73. Gateway distribution actually is trading at 3.58. So my logic is currently it's also undervalued. Why I'm saying you by financial year 26, the sales will be 10,000, 10,000 crores. So just I want to give the multiple of just let's say three multiple if I give. So then the market cap should be 30,000 crores. So current actually market cap is, as you can see here, 3,359. You know, so it should almost like reach 30,000 market cap. If I divided this by 3359, then I think it should still become 8.93 bagger. It should become in another financial year 26. So the current price is actually 466. If I multiply with that price, then the price should become 4,161. I think this looks unbelievable. Even I don't want to give 4 times or 3 times. Even if I just give 2 times of sales value also, the market cap should become 20,000. 20,000 now, the current, uh, market cap is 3359. Now then also it should become, six times. That means into 466, if I do, the price should become 2,700. This is what is my logic. So if you have a difference of opinion, you can also feel free to comment it out, so that it is also useful for the other, users or viewers who are watching, and those who also invested into Mahindra Logistics. For me, it is actually no brainer. Even let's say not in financial year end 26, even if you take 1 year also, at least two times the sales value, it should definitely get it. I mean, definitely the market will give two times at least the sales, whatever is happening. Even though, as actually in the, even if you go through the presentation, the company is also saying they will also reach ROE of 18%. That means profitability also they will take care. For me, it is a no brainer. Still, it is undervalued. I would definitely, minimum target of 2000, it will be reached in 2 to 3 years time. So I hope this video helped you. If you're not invested, please, you can think of if the price comes down. If you already invested, I don't recommend you to book the profit immediately. Please wait for 2 or 3 years so that you'll get a fruitful returns. Thanks for now. Bye.